using StatCrunch for inferences about means of two independent populations. This video uses the example titled, "Are People Getting Taller?" and then the example titled, "Confidence Interval Estimate of Difference Between 1988 Heights and 2012 Heights." In this example, we are using a 0.05 significance level to test the claim that the mean height of the 1988 population is less than the mean height of the 2012 population. The sample data, which are heights in millimeters, have been entered into column 1, row 1 through column 2, row 15 in the StatCrunch worksheet. In the top menu of StatCrunch, select Stat, then select T-Stats from the drop-down menu and ToSample from the submenu. Since the sample data are in columns 1 and 2, select With Data from the next submenu. Note that if only summary statistics are available, including the sample mean, sample standard deviation, and sample size, select With Summary. We proceed with the selection of With Data. The ToSample T dialog window opens in StatCrunch. At the top of the window, select the columns in which your data are located. In this example, we select the column named Answer 1, 1988 for sample 1, and Answer 2, 2012 for sample 2. Below Calculation Options, confirm Pool Variances is not checked. Below Perform, select Hypothesis Test for μ1 minus μ2, and then for h sub 0, the null hypothesis, enter the claimed difference in population means. We enter 0 in this example since we are testing for the claim that there is a difference between the two populations. For h sub a, the alternative hypothesis, select the desired inequality symbol, which is less than, in this example since we are testing the claim that the mean heights in 1988 are less than the mean heights in 2012. Click Compute, and the p-value is provided in the results. In this example, the resulting p-value is 0.0546. Because the p-value is greater than the significance level of 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. We conclude that there is not sufficient evidence to support the claim that the mean height of the 1988 population is less than the mean height of the 2012 population. StatCrunch also allows us to create a confidence interval estimate of the difference between the two population means. We now construct a 90% confidence interval estimate of the difference in heights between 1988 and 2012. In the ToSample T dialog window, we have already selected the columns for each sample. Below Calculation Options, confirm Pool Variances is not checked. Below Perform, select Confidence Interval for μ1 minus μ2, and then enter the desired significance level. Here, we enter a value of 0.9 for a 90% confidence interval. Click Compute for the results. The 90% confidence interval has a lower limit of negative 77.9 millimeters rounded and an upper limit of 1.1 millimeters rounded. Because the confidence interval does contain 0, it suggests that there is not a significant difference between mean height in 1988 and mean height in 2012. This is the same conclusion reached earlier using the p-value results.